In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video speed in DaVinci Resolve. If you want your footage to play faster for a time-lapse effect, or slower for a more dramatic moment, DaVinci Resolve makes that process very simple. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for so you can adjust your clip speed with confidence. To begin, go to the video clip you want to edit in your timeline. Make sure you're selecting the correct clip before making any changes, especially if you have several clips placed close together. Once you've found the right one, click on the clip to highlight it. This tells DaVinci Resolve that this is the piece of media you want to work on. After the clip is selected, right-click directly on it. This will open a menu with several editing options related to that clip. From that menu, choose Change Clip Speed. This is the setting that allows you to control how fast or slow the selected video will play. When the Change Clip Speed window appears, you'll see the speed value displayed there. This is the main setting you'll be adjusting. If you already know the exact speed you want, you can simply type a value into the speed field. For example, increasing the value will make the clip play faster, while lowering it will slow the clip down. This is useful when you want precise control over the timing of your footage. You can also adjust the speed by clicking and dragging on the value instead of typing it manually. This method is helpful if you want to experiment a little and see what feels right for your edit. Dragging lets you fine-tune the speed more naturally, which can be especially useful when you're not aiming for an exact number and just want the motion to look smooth and appropriate for the scene. As you make your adjustment, keep in mind that changing clip speed affects the overall timing of that clip in your timeline. A faster speed will shorten the clip, and a slower speed will make it take longer. So if you're working inside a larger edit, it's a good idea to pay attention to how this change impacts the surrounding clips. And that's it. Once you've selected your clip, right-clicked it, opened Change Clip Speed and adjusted the value by typing or dragging, you've successfully changed the speed of your video in DaVinci Resolve.